Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by connecting to the database. Use the credentials and schema you need and open your SQL client. Once connected, locate the table you want to search and pick a sample column to inspect. Now write a basic select with limit 10 to verify structure. This reveals column names and data types. Make sure to note any nullable fields and key columns, because knowing types and constraints guides conditions and prevents costly full table scans. Once done, craft the core query. Choose specific columns rather than select star to reduce I/O, then add where filters. Use equality on indexed columns for speed. Use like only when necessary and restrict patterns. After that, add order by and limit to inspect results quickly and run explain or the query plan to see cost. If the plan shows full scans, adjust filters or add indexes, make incremental changes, and rerun to validate results and performance. To finish, parameterize the query, and if modifying data, wrap changes in a transaction so you can roll back if needed. Once validated, save the final query as a view or parameterized statement for reuse. If results are unexpected or slow, check execution plans, update table statistics, and examine active locks. Sometimes rewriting joins or adding a composite index fixes it. One key troubleshooting tip: when performance stalls, run explain and compare row estimates to reality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.